Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Today I'm at a very special place. I'm visiting my mother-in-law and she's a wonderful lady, she's an artist. I'd like to show you her garden, so come on, let's go. So let's just start by entering this lovely space. So on this side, it's mainly all Australian natives. There's bottle brushes and certain types of conifers and things, which are obviously not native to Australia, but nonetheless, they're gorgeous. And then we turn over into this way. Got some beautiful seaside daisies, some geraniums, some more conifers, and a glorious entrance into a courtyard. Now this is just a stunning way to enter and visit the family members. This is a wonderful, wonderful courtyard area. Look at these gorgeous hanging baskets. We've got chain of hearts, we've got rabbit's foot fern, got some zygote there, some succulents, and then we go down here and just look at these absolutely lovely pots and gorgeous foliage, big, large, broad sort of variety of plants through here. On the table, she likes to display some maidenhair fern, and this fern has been in this pot for a very, very long time. It's doing really well. Now, I don't know the name of a lot of these plants. Some of these things are begonia varieties, etc. But I just want you to see them. They are delightful. For all my viewers that like to look at gardens, this is a spectacular showcase of what an elderly person who loves her gardening can actually do. This is just wonderful. Let's keep walking and have a bit of a look around. Now this isn't a very large space, not a very large garden by no means, and certainly has a punch of colour. Look at that bay leaf tree. It just provides the most excellent shade and a canopy for all of these plants. As we go along here, we've got more along the fence line, got a lovely, lovely green grass down below, and some absolutely gorgeous fuchsia here. Look at that stunning flower, just spectacular. Got a hebe bush, gorgeous, gorgeous little purple flowers, absolutely delightful. Then we've got the pittosporums, which are a lovely hedge plant. We've got a couple of pots down here with some natives. There were stringias down there. We've got a couple of roses here, some little succulents and a conifer down there, and of course the grevillea. Every Australian garden needs a grevillea. Got some other little bushes and shrubs way down in the corner. A wonderful apricot tree, some hanging baskets throughout any particular way, no particular order, just a lovely cottage garden. Beautiful undercover shade, provides a lot of shade for some of these plants in the hot summer sun. A bird bath. Then we go over around the corner here into what is the herb cottage garden. Now in here we've got chives and onions and spring onions and parsley and all sorts of little thyme, coriander, that type of thing. We've got colour galore. You can just imagine the absolute fun the bees would have coming to this garden. Look at this. Colour galore, colour galore. I can't say it often enough. Let me say it one more time. Colour galore. Oh well, it's just fun, fun, fun. Absolutely beautiful. There's a pomegranate bush just over there. That is a pomegranate bush. It's not the edible variety, but it certainly is a bush that punches some beautiful orange colour up the climbing trellis there. We've got Hardenbergia, another grevillea shrub, and look at all this through here. Got some parsley in pots there, some lovely lettuce to add to the salad, some gorgeous silver beet, spinach type plant. Got the zucchini, squash over there, a lovely Apollo tomato bush that will be just coming on nicely just before Christmas hopefully, and setting some fruit. And then of course we come through here with some more herbs. All the mint varieties are growing in pots and throughout. Got the apple mint and the normal mints, and this is the fig tree. It's got figs on it. Figs tend to be ready to eat in the summer months in Australia. And down under here we've got the area where plants are usually put when they need to be struck for new growth. So any little pieces that are broken off or need to be trimmed get popped into a pot with some nice soil, and up they come New roots, new growth, just delightful. And look at this gorgeous geranium. Nice bright red, just stunning for Christmas. And we've got some lovely sprawling ground cover here, and that flows on past the garage garden shed area, which has obviously got the agapanthus, the glorious agapanthus. Let's head back down towards the house, and I think today we're having a little bit of afternoon tea, a bit of a biscuit, maybe a piece of cake, a cup of tea or coffee. I think I might have a coffee today. Just wanted to show you this absolutely beautiful garden at my mother-in-law's house. Just lovely. If you've got something to say, like a nice comment, I'll certainly pass it on to her. I think she'll be very happy to know that people appreciate her gardening skills. She's also an artist and does some wonderful paintings and colours. And I might even do a little video of some of her artwork. Absolutely talented lady. Look at that. Glorious. Oh, I forgot to mention there's a few things on this side as well. Just on the table, some spares that need to be set in position to areas where they'll do best in once they get established. So just some glorious plants. She just loves her gardening. Isn't it wonderful? Look at the colour in that. And then we've got a few little other plants through here. Just beautiful. Hope you've enjoyed it. All my viewers that like the gardening aspect of the things I do in a day, please like, please share, please comment. I hope you appreciate the colour and the beauty of this garden as much as I do. That's all from me for now. Thank you for joining me. Enjoy your day. Look at that colour. Can't get enough. Bye for now.